Modern medicine treats cataract as an irreversible disease that can be treated only through surgery. Cataract surgery technology has advanced considerably these days. A patient can resume normal work within a week and without any admission to hospital. The new foldable lenses are also pretty comfortable and safe. Nonetheless, an artificial lens cannot surpass the gift of nature. For those desiring to reverse their cataract naturally, here is an excellent tested remedy. Please note that this may not work in very advanced stages of cataract, but would be definitely effective in most cases. Let's now see how to make and use the remedy. Ingredients: Manuka honey 10 ml, onion juice 10 ml, camphor 2 grams. Directions: Take the onion and grate it and extract its juice. Take 10 ml pure honey and mix it with 10 ml onion juice. Add 2 grams camphor. This is available in any Ayurvedic herb shop. Put this mixture on the affected eye, on both eyes, in same manner as you put kajal or an eye pencil. In case camphor is not available, you can use only onion and honey. If cataract is in initial stage, only pure honey can also be sufficient. This is an excellent alternative for those who wish to avoid cataract operation. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.